Hello, gents. Let's get scientific. You know, because of our biology, our manhood comes right out of our face. Yet a lot of guys out there scrape their manhood off their face with a razor every single day. Why would you do that? Why don't you just go straight for the estrogen injection if that's what you're all about? Let your manhood thrive. Let it grow. Don't fight nature. Today, I'm talking Mountaineer brand beard products. When I think of Mountaineer, I think of a mountain man shooting a bear with a black powder rifle and building a log cabin. Mountain men have the best beards. Mountaineer brand comes from West Virginia. A gentleman there was making his own beard oil. He started selling it, it got popular, and he started selling and making more and more of it. And it's great stuff. This Mountaineer brand, it's all natural, it's high quality, and it's affordable. That's the trifecta as far as I'm concerned. If you can get a really nice set of beard stuff that you can also afford, you've hit the jackpot. Now, this set that I've got today, the flavor or the scent or whatever you call it is coal. Now, I can tell you this does not actually smell like coal, and thank goodness. I have shoveled tons of coal in my formative years. I'm intimately aware of the smell of coal, and that's not what this stuff is. This coal scent, it's sage, mint, and it makes you tingle. I love the tingling sensation of it. So let's have a look here. First off, the Mountain Man stuff comes in a burlap sack. That's freaking awesome. That's mantastic as far as I'm concerned. First of all, we've got this beard wash. It's a 4-ounce container of beard wash. This stuff will last a long time. It only takes a little bit and it goes a long way. I love how it makes my face tingle, my beard tingle, and it feels really good and it smells really good. This is the favorite beard wash I've ever used. Next, we've got Magic Balm. And it is pretty magical. So you take your thumb, you scrape some off of there, get a nice little bit on there. Rub that in, just like you would any other balm. And if I haven't mentioned already, I love the minty tingle of this coal flavor. It's got some peppermint in there, some patchouli. It's a really, really nice flavor. I like how it works and I like how it smells. And let's face it, I like that it's all natural too. Next, let's get the oil. Here's our coal oil. I'm telling you, this isn't actually their most popular flavor. I think the most popular one is West Virginia Timber or something like that. But this is my favorite. I love this stuff. Get you some. Like I said, it's affordable and it's really good. I've not yet tried a beard oil or any beard product that works this well and smells this good, but is also this affordable. I just can't get over that. And last of all in the kit, there is a brush. Now, I already have a beard brush, and the bristles on my other brush are a lot stiffer than on this one. I really like the bristles on this one. In fact, I'm not using my old brush anymore. This is my new favorite beard brush. Gents, if you haven't tried Mountaineer brand yet, you owe it to yourself to give it a try. This stuff is amazing. I love it. I can't say enough good about it. Give it a shot. Thank me later. See you soon, gents.